Before watching this, I advise that you have an X with you because we are about to chop some shit up. Minecraft. Minecraft was created by Nutch. Nutch rhymes with watch. Watch. Apple Watch. Apple is ran by a guy called Tim Cook. Cook. You can cook chicken in Minecraft. Chicken. KFC. Kentucky Fried Chicken. Kentucky. Hillbillies. Billies. Bill Gates. Bill Gates is worth $79.3 billion. 7 plus 9 plus 3 is 90. 9 plus 10 also equals 90. Or does it? Let's ask a random person what 9 plus 10 equals.
21.
There is 21 dots on the dice. Dice rhymes with flotation device. Device. Phone. App. Vine. Plant. Rose. Roses can be found in Minecraft. Doesn't this all seem a little bit suspicious? I knew it. The roses in Minecraft represent the color red, which is the color of the KFC logo, which sells their chickens to Nutch, who then puts them in his game, and then he makes money from that which he makes off of the chickens, and then sends it to the Illuminati headquarters in the small island of Comoros to fund their plan to take over the world. So Minecraft is Illuminati confirmed.